How to increase brightness in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily increase the brightness in Diablo Immortal. First of all, launch open Diablo Immortal game on your device and enter the game. Once you're inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap the menu icon. This will open up an expanded menu where you'll need to click on the gear button. After you're inside this settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on Graphics. Inside Graphics, scroll down and get to the World Brightness option. Tap on Edit Brightness and then click on OK. Check on this little box at the bottom and click Accept. Now wait for the necessary files to be downloaded, and once it is done, you can click on Edit Brightness and increase your brightness level. So that is where you can easily increase your world brightness in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned until then.